Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah. So now finding average velocity when position as a function of time. When this is given, I told you in three cases we are going to discuss about the average velocity, and this is the first one. Now given, let us take example. If position of an object is given as 3t square, find average velocity during the time interval from t is equivalent to 1 second to t equivalent to 4 seconds. This is what the question. And please remember, whenever they ask us to find the average, this average and duration of the time are interval. So these are well connected words. Why I am telling this? If instantaneous velocity they ask us, they don't give these. I think they don't use this terminology. Instantaneous means find instantaneous velocity at a time, at particular time. Now, look at here, position is given as 3t square. And we all know how to get velocity from the position. If you differentiate position with respect to time, I'm really sorry. Yeah. Now we are talking about average velocity. No? So, average velocity is given as total displacement. That is a final position minus initial position upon final time minus initial time. This is what average velocity. Now, position you have to find at t equivalent to 4 seconds. That gives you the final position. And initial position means at t equivalent to 1 second, what is the position you have to calculate? That is initial position. And of course, time interval is 4 minus 1, you know. Now, how do you take this? x4, final position. At t equivalent to 4 seconds, I am representing with x4. And this is nothing but 3 into 4 square. That is 3 into 16. So, it's 48. Yeah. So, x4, 48 meters. And what about x1? Initial position. Initial position is time equivalent to 1 second. So we have to calculate initial position. So 3 into 1 square is nothing but 3. So x1 is equivalent to 3 meters. Isn't it? Now let's calculate average velocity. That is a final position 48 minus initial position 3 upon final time 4 second minus initial time 1 second. Got it? Yeah. Now how much is that? 45 by 3. It's nothing but 15 meters per second. So the average velocity is 15 meters per second for the duration of the t equivalent to 1 second to t equivalent to 4 seconds. Yeah, this is the first case. Now what about the second case example? In the second case example, what they are giving us, if velocity is equivalent to giving as 2t square, or I am giving 3t square. So find the average velocity during t equivalent to 1 second to t equivalent to 3 seconds. Now here velocity itself is a function of time. They are asking us to find out average velocity. So in such cases, please remember, now you have to make a note here. If y is some function of x, y could be any physical quantity and x could be of any physical quantity, but there is a relation between y and x. Now y average between x1, x is equivalent to x1 to x is equivalent to x2. If they ask us to find the average value of y, so it can be given as integral of y dx upon integral dx. This is a average of y. Now, of course, this is a little bit mathematical ground we need to discuss about. Anyway, now look at here. V average. Based on this, how do you calculate? Integral of v dt, it is a function of time, upon integral dt. Now limits are from, it's a 1 to 3 and 1 to 3 we can give. Now what is a velocity? Velocity is equivalent to 3t square dt upon integral dt, 1 to 3. So v average is given here, 3 we can bring it out, of course limits are from 1 to 3. Integral of 2 square dt and upon integral of course nothing is, 1 we can make, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is 3. And what about the integral of t square? You know that, right? Yeah, integral of t square, t cube by 3. And the limits are from 1 to 3. Got it? Now here, integral of 1 dt is nothing but t. and limits are from 1 to 3. Now you may get doubt, how do we get this? This from basic integration, you know clearly integral of x power n dx. What is the formula for integral of x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So based on that, in place of n, 2 is there. So 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is how we calculated. So please go through this basic maths course in physics. Okay. So for these mathematical help. So then V average is nothing but 3 getting cancelled. Substitute the upper limit 3 cube minus lower limit 1 cube upon upper limit 3 minus 1. So how much is that? 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 1 upon 2. So how much is that? 26 by 2 is nothing but 13 meters per second. So this is the average velocity in case of velocity as a function of time. Okay. Yeah.